Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting a new series on Java design patterns. I'll be covering the theory part like what are the different Java design patterns along with the examples and practical implementation using Java code. So stay tuned. Design patterns are the best formalized practices a programmer can use to solve common problems when designing an application or system. Java design patterns are tried and tested solutions to common software design problems. They help make your code more flexible, reusable, and maintainable. Different, like if we try to divide it into different categories, then we can come up with three categories. They are creational patterns, structural patterns, and behavioral patterns. Creational patterns deal with object creation. Structural patterns deals with composition of the object, like how what is the relationship between the object, and behavioral pattern deals with the communication between objects. In creational patterns they are like singleton patterns, factory method, abstract factory, builder, and prototype design patterns. Similarly, structures pattern examples are adapter, bridge, composite, decorator, flyweight, proxy, etc. And similarly, behavioral patterns are observer, strategy, command, chain of responsibility, state, template, method, memento, interpreter, visitor, etc. We'll start first with creational patterns. First, we'll pick the singleton pattern. As in singleton, only one instance is created. In factory method, an interface for creating an object is defined, and subclasses can alter the type. Abstract factory is similar to factory. Like here also we create an interface for creation of family of related or dependent objects. Builder design pattern, it comes in the picture when we have a complex object and we can separate the construction of the object using builder design pattern. When we look into the example, then it will be more clearer. Prototype design pattern is a design pattern where we create new object by copying an existing object. So this is the overview of the creational design pattern. From the next video, we'll start with the singleton design pattern. We'll look into the examples along with the theory.